Let's talk about the Charts grid and the Flexible grid. You'll find these under the Charts tab. The Charts grid is locked into a uniform grid structure like 3 by 2 or 4 by 3, with the sidebar either locked on or off for all cells in the grid. The Flex grid lets you have different numbers of cells in each row or column with independent sidebar enabling for each cell. To customize the Flex grid, look for the grid icon in the upper right corner. Check the Customize Grid box. This will show an option panel in the middle of each cell. Use the option panel to split or remove the cells and arrange your layout however you want. See the chain link icon at the top of each gadget? That controls gadget linking. You can link up to 9 different groups, giving you complete control over which gadgets update together and which ones don't. Notice the sidebar checkboxes in the option panels? This shows or hides the sidebar for that cell. Enter a symbol to pull data into the cell to see the sidebar. When the sidebar is displayed, it appears in the cell on the right showing all available gadgets. You can select which gadgets you want or don't want in the cell. You cannot control the placement of multiple gadgets in the same cell. When the sidebar is unchecked, the panel is hidden. Using the hamburger menu on the cell does not switch the gadget, it adds it to the cell. If you want to switch a gadget, you have to make the changes from the sidebar. When you are finished setting up your cells, uncheck the Customize Grid box in the grid icon menu to remove the option panels from the cells. Then select Save Flexible Grid As from the grid icon menu. Name the grid and now the layout is saved and ready to load anytime.